And this question is given that if temperature of sun is doubled, the rate of energy received on earth will increase by a factor. We know that the total radiation power emitted by the sun can be found out by using this equation, E sigma A, temperature of sun raised to 4. So the part of this energy is reaching on earth's surface, so we can write the amount of energy or the power which is received on earth's surface is directly proportional to the T raised to 4, or the amount of energy emitted by the sun. So we can say that the power in second situation by power in first situation will be equal to nothing but temperature in second situation by temperature in first situation raised to 4. So we can write the value of P2 divided by P1 as equal to, in question it is given that the temperature of sun is doubled, so we increase the temperature of sun by 2 times. So we can write now the temperature is going to be 2T if the initial temperature is T raised to 4. So this T and this T get cancelled, 2 raised to 4 we can take it as 16. So power in second situation is 16 times of power in first situation, or you can write it's going to increase by 16 times.